Marco Colbert's Speedokote Refinish Network. Alright, so I know a lot of you guys probably clicked on this video because you want to learn how to do small blow-in style repairs that don't require you to paint the entire panel. Well, today we're going to do just that. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Now, normally, if you were to take this car to a big, big name body shop, big guys in town, they're going to tell you that you have to tape all this off and you have to repaint the whole door jamb. And is that probably the best way to do it? Yeah, that way you don't really have any blend spots. You're really refinishing the whole panel. That's the correct 100% proper way to do it. However, I'm not going to undermine blending. Blending is great for small, really small repairs like this. A lot of people get these scratches and paint chips, because they kick their foot on the, the metal right here as they're getting into the car and wear and tear. And, it's really good, honestly, for something like this, just to go ahead and just do a blow-in. And there you guys have it. That is how you do a blow-in repair. Not perfect. I got like 2 dust nibs in it when I was trying to untape it while it was wet. But other than that, it looks really good. So as you guys saw with a lot of the video footage, the key with blow-in repairs is gun control. So the key with blow-in repairs is kind of dancing with that trigger and getting it to the point where it's just starting to let out fluid and miss that fluid out, but then not going all the way, because if you go all the way, you're going to put way too much material out. You're going to get overspray everywhere, and then it just turns into a mess. The whole key with blow-in style repairs and blending is to save time. So if you have to do a bunch of wet sanding afterwards and polishing and all this other stuff, you're really not saving any time. You might as well have just painted the whole panel and been done with it. I see a lot of guys out there doing blends and they're wet sanding afterwards, they're polishing afterwards. Now, I'm not saying, it's not a bad idea to go ahead and just take your polisher, just a quick 30-second polish and just kind of smooth out that edge just a tiny bit. But anything more than that, you're basically defeating the purpose of blending. If we were to go ahead and paint this entire door jamb, it probably would have been about a, I don't know, maybe 3-hour, 2-hour job. This blow-in only was about maybe 60 minutes, maybe an hour and a half of my time. Anyways, that's enough talking. I got to detail the interior on this car. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.